Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to find your exported videos on CapCut. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do to find the videos that we have exported from CapCut is to open our CapCut right here and then export any videos that you want so that we can locate where all the videos that you have exported went. So let's say, for example, that we want to export this video right here. So what we're going to do is to click this export button. And once you click that, you will have the file destination, which is right here. So the next thing that we're going to do is to click this folder right here. And once you do that, you will see the file destination on where all the videos went. So as you can see right here, from my desktop right there, all the videos was saved from virtual hard disk and then to exported videos files. What we're going to do now is to open the File Explorer. And once we open the File Explorer, all we have to do is to go here on the virtual hard disk and then click this exported videos. And as you can see, this is where all of my exported CapCut videos went. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.